Baby, I got work?
Yeah, why you say call me away from still?
Oh, you want some milk to eat? This cereal is just so loud over there.
Mom, I don't like milk. I don't eat my cereal with milk.
So you just gonna eat the cereal so dry?
Mom, I always eat it like this. Why are you bothering me?
Up here slightly stuck along with every day. You been sitting them. Look, girl, you now get up and get ready and go to school.
Dad is gonna carry me, right?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Why are you rushing? Ready?
Oh, try and sit up.
Okay.
Wait, Dave. Me need to go to the store.
Right now?
Yes. Just drop me now.
She's late for school.
Come now, and I go this
Mom,
one drive.
I'm gonna be late.
Just come and go to the back seat now. I would just come do one
No,
drive.
that's not fair. I have to go to school.
Look, hold on there. Go to the back seat.
Why do I have to go in the back seat?
All right.
Dad, tell her
Listen.
that's not fair.
Listen,
That's not fair. I was here first. Tell her.
See the back seat there. Go to the back
Princess,
seat.
cool, man.
Dave, what is?
That's
Me don't
fine,
understand what go on.
Are you kidding me? Ah!
What are you saying for doing first?
Me don't understand what go on. It just this is not move.
Alright.
Dave, me don't understand. Me don't understand what go on.
Yes, I understand. We both level.
Dave, you see what me I said, Dave? She's so disrespectful. Me can't do it no more. You need to talk to Stacy.
Alright, babe,
No, you need to talk to her. I'm gonna
Listen
send her to Jamaica.
Alright,
To me mother, for me mother raise her. Me can't do this.
Here. Yo, me answer now. Hold on, man.
No, Dave, you need to talk to your daughter. You need to talk to Stacy.
Alright, babe. I understand what you say. You know this is a teenage thing, she.
No, every day I pay disrespect no manners. Me can't do it.
Alright.
Me gonna really send her to Jamaica to be mother raise her, you know.
I'm gonna do them something, man.
So what me must do?
Listen, when she reach in from school, I sit her down and I talk to her, see? Say that for wash no face, babe. Babe, look for me. I got this. Alright?
How you do me so?
Cool, man. Let's go.
Me know, so you love me long time, you know.
Yeah, I mean.
And then you tried to take that girl there with your accent?
Why not? But hey, I got something that's gonna take him and hold him better than the accent, but you can't say nothing because I found it in my mama's room.
Hold on, wait. Did you watch that?
No, I haven't watched it yet, but I think you could do good on this part right here.
For me?
Like, look at that one.
We all gonna watch this shit.
We can watch it together, but
No,
$2.99.
I don't need that. I don't need none of that. I don't need it. No.
Yeah,
I don't watch stuff like that.
That guy that likes you in school?
I'm not doing that to him. I don't like him.
What's the problem?
I don't like him. I have someone already.
You do?
Stacy, who do you have?
A guy.
What's his name? We friends. Don't do us like that.
I mean, I got me a little zaddy or whatever.
Sugar daddy?
I mean, not necessarily a sugar daddy, but something close. Someone special.
Sweet daddy? Why do you want to know so much? Why you can't tell? Because we're friends. Like, come on, we go way back.
Just know he's special. He's older and he's sexy and compassionate.
You in love or something?
And he loves me.
Oh
He
my
take care of you?
Very
He
well.
spend money?
Yeah,
Take you
I
out?
would say so.
That's why you've been laughing a lot.
Well, Stacy, you winning then.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but we not sharing, so don't even think about it.
We ain't got nobody though.
You gonna leave me hanging? What?
She talked to her
What? Yes.
You guys a little loud. I'm just checking.
Okay, you're embarrassing me.
You don't have to act like that, Stacy.
Okay, yes, Mom, we're fine. Can you go? Like, you're being embarrassing.
Boy, I be tell you, you have no manners.
Are you done?
How you talk to your mom like that? My mom would kill me.
Yo, I would have been dead.
Just ignore her. She's stupid.
I don't know how you do it, Stacy, but you Stacy.
Oh yeah,
I can't sleep. I need you to tuck me in.